Test Plans and Security by Brittany, Rebecca, and Tim. What is configuration management? Configuration management means the process of providing a logic view of the IT infrastructure or services by identifying, maintaining, and verifying the versions and status of configuration items in existence. Within this definition, a configuration item, CI, is any component of the IT infrastructure that falls under the control of and is monitored by the configuration management process.
First, data is the most critical element of a website and must be secured. Incorporate standards, policies, and protocols designed to protect data. Also use strong encryption protocols while data is in transit and while stored. Second, use tracking and analytics software, which allows developers to customize the site for the demographic and to have a better idea of who is coming to the site and what they are doing there. Conduct usability tests using online surveys, polls, questionnaires, and other measures to obtain feedback from your demographic on a website usability.
Develop standards, policies, and procedures to increase uniformity and, in turn, keep the quality of the web application and the websites high. After a security vulnerability or other issue or feature has been added, use regression testing to ensure that the change had not introduced new problems. Also, use a testing cycle to ensure that the website or application is continually being monitored for vulnerabilities and other shortcomings.
Monthly releases management. You would start by assigning a configuration management process owner who will be responsible for owning the configuration management strategy, structure, and process. One of the first tasks that the process owner should undertake is creating and ratifying a Service Asset and Configuration Management SACM policy. You would then define roles and responsibilities. The configuration owner is responsible for the creation of the test plans. The manager is the highest ranking and is responsible for the day-to-day maintenance of the CMS and the production deployments. The database administrators are responsible for the day-to-day maintenance and performs post-production test and monitoring. CI owners are responsible for the status and attributes of the CI. The database developers design solutions and provide technical knowledge. You would then determine CMS primary usage by identifying application and infrastructure component dependencies.
Step 4 is to determine what types of records it will hold. They may include incidents, errors, application, corporate data, and reporting detail. Then determine existing data repositories to facilitate establishing priorities for each usage. Understand what tools are available to support the process. Use tools to automate the data collection and help mitigate the risk errors that can be introduced by manual data entry and maintenance.
Decide on a CI categorization and naming scheme. Many organizations find using type, family, and class to be an acceptable starting point. CMS structure includes brief, the number of families and categories of CIs that will be tracked, depth, the extent of which component CIs will be tracked. For example, the disk drives or cards within the servers can be tracked as CIs. Detail the number of attributes and types of relationships for each class of CI that will be tracked. After this step in the process, these plans can be executed. The most successful improvement programs are the ones that are designed to bring gradual but continuous improvement.
We recommend a few tools from the Google department. General Audit Tool is a full drive and email audit, thus making it the first 360-degree file security audit for Google Apps. For email, it is able to search on details like from, to, time, CC, BCC, and subject, and most importantly, attachments. You can see who sent what document and to whom and when, the top sender of email to domain, the top source of files out of your domain, top sender of internal email, and key relationships.
Our next tool we recommend is Backupify. You can use it to protect your Google Apps data with secure automated backup, protect your Gmail Drive, Docs, chat, contacts, calendar, and sites. Securely backup your data every day automatically. Easily search for backups and quickly restore data.